Hey, just a bottle.
Something to do with my time. Ease my pain, get you off of my mind. 3 cell phones, I've been on my grind. No more love means no more lies.
I'm finna whip
Dude, it's pollen.
I'm finna beat
Yeah,
your
you
ass.
got that on me.
I'm finna whip your ass.
You got,
I'm finna whip your ass.
nigga, I'm a little sick.
I'm finna whip you because why would you say something? Why you that
It's
close?
clean.
Like, why you that close?
It's clean.
What? How is it clean?
Because it's
It
me.
just came out your nose.
It came out my mouth.
When I come back, I'm gonna beat your
Why?
ass.
Why?
Once I come back from the table, I'm gonna beat you.
I just gave you a little wash off.
Bro, no, I don't need no wash off. Do it look like I need a wash off for me? Oh.
Yeah, let me kiss a victim. Y'all, I got a person. What up, my boy? Just chilling. I was. What are you watching? You're not watching it? Oh, shoot! My fault, bro. I'm sick. Nigga, it's pollen. Bro, I'm clean. Hey, just a bottle. You work here? Oh, don't worry about it, man. Hey, listen. My fault, bro. I just sneeze on you, bro. I sneeze on you. Dude, my fault, bro. My fault, bro. Craig, give me a hug, bro. It's clean. Hey, look, bro. Look. It's a bottle. Look. Here you go. Look. My fault, bro. My fault, bro. I thought y'all was sick, nigga. Huh?
You don't got no damn permit or your
You got a napkin? Nigga, it's clean.
You don't got your license,
Chill out. My fault, bro. Nigga, I told you I'm sick, nigga. Hey, chill out, bro. Chill out. I'm sick, bro. I'm sick. I told you I'm sick a little bit, nigga. You work here?
Huh?
You work here?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. Dang.
You have to find something.
Well, I was looking for the best tissue. I don't know which one to get.
The what?
The best paper towel, I mean.
What one? Terms like quality or price?
I don't know, not like when I wipe my butt with paper towels. Looking for the best one. Like to wipe my butt with it, not tissue. It might get me sick. I'm a little sick. Might get this plastic.
Yeah, there really ain't a best one.
I get this one, you know. My fault, bro. Did I sneeze on you? Oh, my fault.